Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox our newly item. This is the Blitzwolf model BW-FYE5 Mini True Wireless Earbuds stereo earphone with portable charging box. But before anything else, I would like to say thank you very much to Banggood.com for making this video possible. Yes, it's Banggood.com. Banggood.com is an online shopping store that offers school gadgets, clothing and apparel, mobile phone and accessories, toys, electronics, tools, industrial and scientific, home and garden products, home appliances, bags and shoes, jewelries and watches, health and beauty products, computer, automobiles and motorcycles, light and lightnings materials, and many more. Actually, you can almost find everything from A to Z that you can think of in Banggood.com. I-visit nyo lang yung kanilang official website store at Banggood.com. Shopping with fun, best bang for your buck. And aside from that, Banggood.com offers a mode of payment via PayPal, bank transfer, and even cash on delivery. It's super convenient and it's so amazing. And again, today, meron tayo ditong one of their product. This is the Blitzwolf model BW-FYE5 Mini True Wireless Earbuds. If nagbabalak kayong bumili nito, this is it. This is for you. I-unbox natin siya and bigyan na rin natin ng a little bit review. And of course, kapag decided na kayo bumili nito, yung link is also in the description. I-click nyo lang para mag-direct kayo sa Banggood.com for this product. Alright guys, without further ado, let's do the unboxing. And guys, this is their parcel from Banggood. And as always, kapag mag-unbox kayo, laging gumamit ng scissors. Ayan. I-open na natin yung ating parcel from Banggood. And this is their packaging from Blitzwolf. Yung makikita nyo in the front ay meron ditong nakasulat na Blitzwolf and yung kanyang model unit na BW-FYE5. And sa likod ay meron nakasulat na little specification. Basahin ko sa inyo. It says Bluetooth version 5.0, transmission range 33 feet, 10 meters. Playtime is up to 3 hours, earbuds and 8 hours, and charging bags. Battery capacity is 400 milliampere for the charging case, and yung kanyang earbuds is 50 milliampere. Ayan. And that's pretty much it, yung mga nakasulat sa kanyang box. And buksan na natin siya para makita natin what's inside the box. Ayan. Oops. Alright guys. Medyo sealed siya masyado, no? Ayaw niya magpabukas. Ayan na. Okay guys. And pagtanggal nyo ng kanyang takip, ayan, ay meron kayong makukuhang warranty card. This item is have an 18 months manufacturer warranty. Ayun. So it's so super amazing. 18 months. It's almost 2 years. 1.5 year. It's so super amazing, diba? And of course, meron kayong makukuhang user manual na hindi naman binabasa ng mga bumibili masyado. Ayun. So, ayun. Nagbabasa ako ng user manual kapag hindi ko na talaga kayang hulaan yung mga keys ng item. And what else? Inside the box ay meron pang maliit na box, yung kanyang charging cord. Ayan. Yung kanyang charging cord ay USB to ano siya, para siyang micro USB. But medyo different yung kanyang style. But I think, basta hindi siya Type-C, ayun. And of course, meron kayong makukuhang extra earbuds na 2 pairs with different sizes. Ayan. Amazing yung kanyang earbuds. Parang contact lens. O, diba? Pwede nyo nalagay sa mata. Ayan o guys. Kita nyo ba? Para siyang nilalagay sa mata. Pero this is earbuds and super soft niya. Ayan. And of course, your Blitzwolf model BW-FYE5. Itong model na to guys, it comes with 2 colors. Meron siyang blue and black. And yung meron tayo dito ay color black. Ayan. And dito sa kanyang harapan ay meron kayong makikitang logo ng Blitzwolf. And sa likod yung kanyang charging port. And that's it. And pag i-open nyo siya ay ini-snap lang siya. This is magnetized. Ayan. Medyo mahigpit yung kanyang magnet. That's good. And yung kanyang case is gawa siya sa parang soft plastic na parang may pagka-leather. Ganun. Basta plastic siya na parang alam niyo yung wheels ng car. Wheels ng car rin. Wala naman akong kotse. Basta ganun. Siya. Maganda siyang material. Ayan. Tapos is, pag open nyo yung inyong earbuds na Blitzwolf, dalawa. And this is inaangat. And meron na siyang earbuds. So, bali tatlo yung inyong earbuds na pwedeng pagpilian. Tapos, meron pa siyang plastic. Yan. And meron ditong nakasulat na right and left. And super liit niya. As in, sobrang liit. First time ko, this is my smallest ever na earbuds. Ayan. As in, lang. I think this is wala ½ inch yung kanyang size. Tapos yung kanyang lalagyan ay super small din. So, it's very nice na pang traveling and napaka-nice na. Ayan. So, meron siya ditong button. Amazing. So, yung kanyang button is nag-blink siya. Meron siyang LED indicator. Pag i-on nyo siya, kailangan nyo siyang i-press and hold ng up to 5 seconds. And yung good thing dito is, pwede nyo siyang gamitin separately. Kung gusto nyo gamitin yung isang earbuds lang, all you need to do, siya lang yung kukunin nyo dun sa lalagyan. And kung gusto nyo naman na gamitin siya together, kukunin nyo siya together, tapos i-on nyo siya. Kapag ka-in-on nyo siya, automatically magpe-pairing silang dalawa. So kapag ka-pair na silang dalawa, pwede nyo na siyang i-pair sa inyong devices. But before that, idadamo ko muna sa inyo kapag i-on nyo siya. All you need to do ay i-press and hold nyo siya ng up to 5 seconds. Tapos magpe-pairing silang dalawa. Ayan. So, paired na silang dalawa. So, kapag nag-pair silang dalawa, meaning gagamitin nyo siya together. So, from that, pwede nyo na siyang i-pair sa inyong devices. So, kung anong meron kayong device from your mobile phone, sa inyong tablet, or sa inyong laptop, ay pwede nyo siyang i-connect through Bluetooth. And of course, ito try natin siya dahil meron tayo ditong tablet. All you need to do ay open niyo yung inyong Bluetooth, of course. Ayan, yung pangalan ng Blitzwolf, yung kanyang Bluetooth device ay BW-FYE5R. So all you need to do ay i-click nyo siya. Ayan, connected na tayo. Estimated is 2 to 4 seconds. Super bilis nga lang, as in one click lang and connected na kayo agad sa inyong Blitzwolf BW-FYE5 Mini True Wireless Earbuds. And of course, magpapatunog tayo ng songs dahil itetest natin siya para mabigyan natin ng a little bit review yung ating Blitzwolf BW-FYE5. Ayan. And magpapatunog tayo ng music by No Copyright Sounds. Clear My Head. Amazing, amazing. Nung nilagay ko siya, nung plinay ko yung music, as in crispy, ganun. Ang ganda ng kanyang sounds, and I think gusto nyo marinig yung kanyang sounds. Tatapat ko siya dito sa aking earphone. This is 60% volume. Tatry ko i-dikit yung dalawang earbuds sa aking microphone para marinig nyo yung kanyang quality kapag dalawa siya sa inyong tenga. Ayan guys, hindi pa naka-maximum yung volume niya. As in, naririnig ko siya. Ayan, and tatry ko i-maximum yung kanyang volume para marinig nyo. Ayan, ito yung kanyang maximum volume. Sobrang lakas niya, guys. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang isang earbuds. This is maximum volume. Hinaan na natin siya. Ayan, 50%. Ayan guys, ayan yung kanyang audio quality and super nice ng kanyang audio quality, as in super buo ng inyong maririnig na music and hindi nyo talaga maririnig yung inyong paligid, as in meron siyang super nice noise reduction. Ayan. And guys, meron pala akong tip, etong earbuds na to ay meron siyang control kapag ka-clinic nyo yung left ear, magpo-pause and play yung inyong music. Kapag pinindot nyo naman siya yung left or right ng twice, yung music nyo ay magne-next track. And it's so super amazing. Pwede nyo kontrolin yung inyong pinapakinggan wirelessly. All you need to do ay i-click nyo lang yung inyong earbuds. And it's super amazing. And aside from that, this is meron siyang microphone. So, pwede nyo siya gamitin through voice dialing. So, kung meron kayong tatawagan or meron tumatawag sa inyo, pwede nyo siyang gamitin ng wirelessly. Hindi nyo na pipindutin yung inyong gadgets or yung inyong cellphone. Ito na lang yung pipindutin nyo and makakausap nyo yung inyong kausap sa kabilang linya. It's so super amazing. And aside from that, guys, etong kanyang case this is rechargeable. All you need to do ay i-charge nyo to. Kapag ka na-charge nyo na to, hindi nyo na kailangan dalhin yung inyong charger on to go because yung kanyang lalagyanan, it served na as a power bank para sa inyong Blitzwolf earbuds. And all you need to do ay ibabalik nyo to dito sa kanyang lalagyanan. And kapag binalik nyo na siya, magla-light up siya. Iilaw siya and also yung kanyang gitna ay umiilaw din siya para siyang yung nasa dibdib ni Iron Man. It's super cute niya and napakaganda. And napakaganda nung kanyang pagka-design and super liit, super light niya and ayun, pwede siya lagay nyo lang sa inyong bulsa. And ayun. At saka hindi siya basta-basta nahuhulog sa inyong tenga. As in, super liit niya. Actually, hindi nyo siya masyadong mapapansin na meron akong suot na earbuds kapag hindi nyo na masyadong na-notice. Diba? It's super nice. This is the smallest earbuds na nahawakan ko. It's so super amazing and nice. Ayan. And for me, kung tatanungin niyo ako, I am giving this Blitzwolf BW-FYE5 ng 5 out of 5. It's so super amazing and napaka-nice niya, napakaliit niya. And yung connection niya, super bilis din. And aside from that, pwede niyo siyang kontrolin through earbuds yung inyong mga pinapakinggan. And napakaganda nung kanyang LED indicator. Ayan. So para kayong si Iron Man lang. Ayan, diba? Amazing. And there you have it, guys. This is our unboxing and a little bit review of Blitzwolf BW-FYE5 Mini True Wireless Earbuds. Again, kapag decided na kayo bumili nito, yung link is nasa description lang. I-click nyo lang para mag-direct kayo sa official store ng Banggood.com for this item. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Be one of the extraordinary people. Subscribe to my channel. I-ring nyo na rin yung notification bell para kapag meron tayong bagong videos like this and everything, mananotify kayo sa inyong YouTube account. And I guess I'll see you on my next video. Bye!